Breaking, leftist judge blocks President Donald Trump's new travel ban hours before it was set to take effect. Hello folks, my name is Jen. I'm from Golden State Times, and today we have a breaking news story. This one comes courtesy of GoldenStateTimes.com, and it says that a leftist federal judge in Hawaii has blocked the federal government from carrying out the president's newest travel ban. You heard it right, folks. This is it. They're at it again. U.S. District Court Judge Derrick Watson issued a temporary restraining order Tuesday on President Donald Trump's executive order, the new travel ban that he just signed just a few days ago, which had banned citizens from 8 countries from entering the United States due to national security concerns. Hawaii, which is the place where this leftist judge is, urges that the updated ban is a continuation of Donald Trump's, that's how he's saying it, because that's completely disrespectful. How hard is it to call him President Donald Trump, not Donald Trump? Okay, it says, this is a continuation of Donald Trump's promise to exclude Muslims from the country. Okay, a blatant lie. Not only is he completely disrespectful to the President of the United States, he's being disrespectful and a liar at the exact same time. It goes on to say that Watson had previously blocked President Donald Trump's last travel ban in March. So it's the same clown, folks. In his ruling on Tuesday, Watson said that Hawaii would likely succeed in proving that President Trump's latest travel ban violates federal immigration law, which is, again, a blatant lie. They're lying through their teeth, folks. Crazy, crazy stuff. He said the policy suffers from precisely the same maladies as its predecessor. It lacks sufficient finding that the entry of more than 150 million nationals from 6 specified countries would be detrimental to the interest of the United States. So that is what he wrote in his declaration. Okay. It goes on to say that the White House said that President Trump added Chad, Venezuela, and North Korea to the total list of 8 countries whose citizens may not travel to the U.S. except for Venezuela, where only government officials were banned from entering the country. The White House added that affected countries still have a way to get off the list. They said, quote, "The restrictions being imposed on these 8 countries are conditional and may be lifted as they work with the United States government to ensure the safety of Americans." So the only thing that the White House wants is these countries to comply with American immigration law. That's all they want. They want to make sure that these countries take back their deported aliens to their country. If we deport someone, they have to take them back if they're from that country. Okay? There are some countries that were saying, no, we're not going to take them back. And the United States said, if you don't take them back, we will ban anyone from that country to come to the United States. And guess what? They changed their tune really fast, folks. It was crazy how fast some of these countries changed their tune. There was going to be a lot more countries added to this travel ban than, North Korea, Chad, and Venezuela. There was going to be a whole bunch. But at the last minute, they changed their tune and they became compliant. So they were able to get off the list. Okay? So that's what's going on right now. This leftist radical judge is on a mission to make sure that he blocks everything that has to do with the president and new executive orders that he is bringing into effect. Okay, this is the second time this same judge does this, folks. Okay, obstruction. That's all it is. That's the name of the game with the Democrats and these leftist radicals. Obstruction and nothing else. Like the president has said many times on his speeches. And like supporters have said regarding these and others' situations, that the Democrats now are good at nothing but obstructing. Like the president has said before, the only thing Democrats are good at this point is obstruction. They're obstructionist and nothing else. They have no message. They have no support. They have no future. 2018 is going to be a bloodbath for the Democrats. And as of right now, they can't do anything else but obstruct and get in the way. That's the only thing they know how to do. They know how to whine, complain, obstruct, and do nothing because they have no message. President Trump destroyed them in 2016. And ever since, they won't be able to bounce back. They haven't been able to bounce back. And now this is all they come down to do. Obstruct. They find any radical judge that was probably an Obama supporter, and like this leftist judge, what's his name? Let's see. Derrick Watson. This judge actually donated to the Obama administration in his re-election, I think it was. Okay, so these are the type of people that the Democrats, the DNC, are like scrambling to go and find. So in order to either pay them off or however, or ask for a favor and obstruct to any new executive order or any new bill or anything like that that's coming out. And that way they can obstruct it and postpone it for a few weeks, because that's exactly what's going to happen with this, folks. This new travel ban is just going to get obstructed and postponed into a few weeks. We're going to be, we're going to be reporting again. You know what? Remember that travel ban that leftist radical judge blocked, in October? Well, guess what? Now it's going back into effect. That's what's going to happen. That's what happened with the last one and the one before that. So it's going into effect no matter what, folks. Okay, the Supreme Court didn't want to deal with it the last time, which I think it was a big mistake. So now it's going to go back into deliberation between the White House counsel and these leftist judges. And since they can't come up to a determination, it's going to go straight back into the waiting list at the Supreme Court until they get to it, which most likely it's not going to be towards the end of this month. Most likely. Who knows? They might squeeze it in at some point, but it has to happen whether this month or the beginning of next. Okay, because once it gets to the middle of November, they're off again. And they're not going to come back until like March or something like that. So I'm pretty sure it's going to get squeezed in at the end of this month, and they're going to finally end this, where the Supreme Court is going to rule that it's constitutional, is going to rule that it's fair, is going to rule that that abides by the law, and then that way these leftist radical judges can't touch it. That's what needs to happen. But let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. My name is Jen. I'm from Golden State Times. Make sure you guys check out our website, goldenstatetimes.com. Make sure you guys check the link in the description below if you guys want to sign up to our newsletter that is sent every other day. So every other day we send you a newsletter to your inbox with, videos and articles and updates about the channel, updates about Golden State Times, anything like that. Also alerts with new upcoming streams and events and stuff like that. So all of that stuff is sent to you through our newsletter. So make sure you guys go and sign up to our newsletter. The link is in the description below, or you can go to goldenstatetimes.com and you'll see it on the banner on the top where it says GST newsletter sign up. Click here. So if you click there, it'll take you to sign up for our newsletter. So thank you very much for watching. If you are new to our community, subscribe and click the notification bell. If you guys like this report, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and you guys share it. If you guys missed President Donald Trump's speech at the Heritage Foundation, it should be coming up on your screen. If you guys missed the joint press briefing with the Prime Minister of Greece and President Donald Trump, it should be coming up on your screen. And any other videos that you might have missed are also going to be coming up on your screen. Thank you very much for watching, like I said, and I'll see you soon. Peace.